Charles Turner didn't just study bugs, he studied bias, and he dismantled it with science. He did this in a time where black people were considered inferior and animals were considered mindless. He found a bridge between them both, using insects, taking those assumptions, and burning them to the ground. He was born in Cincinnati, Ohio in 1867. His intelligence showed early, and he graduated valedictorian of his high school, Gaines High School, the first black public high school in Cincinnati. From this, he earned a scholarship to attend the University of Cincinnati. He studied zoology and biology under professors who did not think he belonged. Even then, he earned his bachelor's degree in biology in 1891. He was the first black American to do so at this university. During his time there, he worked as a research assistant and also published his first scientific undergraduate paper, a very rare feat for a student like him. He earned both his master's and PhD in zoology at the school. But when it came time to pursue his career in research, lab doors were closed to him because he was black. So he made his own, and he went to go teach high school in St. Louis. And in his spare time, with no lab, no funding, no assistance, he did what all great minds do: innovate. He turned unconventional spaces into his laboratory, places like public parks and basements. And in these places, he changed science and bias forever. He proved that ants could solve mazes and communicate, roaches could learn through trial and error, and that bees could recognize patterns, colors, and make decisions, which clearly define learning, memory, and cognition in insects, creatures thought to be mindless. This also challenged the perception of the inferior black mind, and blew the notion apart that these minds were less evolved. He published over 70 peer-reviewed scientific papers. They laid the groundwork for behavioral psychology, animal cognition, and also neurobiology. Decades later, it was not Turner who would get the recognition for his work. It was improperly credited to other white scientists, and Turner's name disappeared. But today, the fields of neuroscience, entomology, and behavioral science all benefit from Charles Turner's work. He's now been cited in modern research papers on animal memory. His name is lifted up in institutions that rejected him at the time, and he has science-based fellowships and programs in his name. He didn't just prove that insects could think. He showed that an evolved, resilient mind can withstand anything. Being underestimated, being overlooked, and having doors shut forcibly only delay the inevitable. That it can change the world even if there are no hands to help it do so.